welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please
Yo, what's going by? My name is Bryson, also known as Bryson on both Instagram and on YouTube. And today we're gonna be doing a rotation transition. So we're gonna get straight into it. As you can see, the first thing you're gonna need is motion tile. So you're gonna bring this into your first clip. And you're only gonna change your output width and height. You can change it to any amount, but I normally go with 300 on both the width and the height. And then you want to just check mirror edges. Just click that. Then we're gonna copy this by pressing Ctrl C, and we're gonna put this on our second clip by just pasting with Ctrl V. Okay, so now we have motion tile done. Now what we want to do is we're gonna go into our second clip. I'm just gonna estimate where it's gonna be, but you guys are gonna do it precisely how you want it to be. Also, make sure that your motion blur is on. Some people leave it off and some people leave it on, but I leave it on. So you want to press R on your keyboard. Then you want to press this clock here. So this is your first keyframe. So far, there's no rotation. You want to go right to the end, and we're gonna change this to a 90. 90. So as you can see, this is what the motion tile is for. So if we switched off motion tile, that would happen. But now since we have motion tile on, we have this. Okay, so that's what motion tile is for. Then we want to highlight these keyframes. You're gonna press F9 on our keyboard to change to easy ease. Then all we're doing is we're taking this and we're just gonna bring it down, just like that. That's all we need to do. Okay, then we're gonna go into our second clip, which also has the motion tile within. We're gonna press on our keyboard again, but this time we're gonna be starting off at -90 because we ended off with 90 on the previous clip. We're gonna start off at -90 on this one. So let's just go a bit back. I'm just gonna estimate it. Obviously, you guys are not gonna estimate. You're gonna do the actual proper amount, and then with the next keyframe, we're gonna put it at 0, and we're just gonna highlight this. We're gonna press F9 on our keyboard. Do that. And what we're gonna do for this one, the previous one we brought this one down, but now for this, we're gonna bring this one up. Say around about there, and that should be it, guys. That's all you really need to do. I'm just gonna try and just render this out. You guys would have probably seen it already, but I'm just gonna, there you go, guys. And that's how to make a rotation effect. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I tried to keep it a bit short, nothing too intense. You did like this video, like it, share with your friends and all that kind of stuff. I will be making more different tutorials, maybe a zoom in plus rotation, maybe even a saber eye effect. I think you guys will like that one. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and peace.
Okay, thank you.